Greetings. Today, the moon continues in Capricorn, making the mood of the day one that is very practical. It's a good day for getting organized, foundations, working on the foundations of things, doing some planning, some strategizing, some getting organized to support yourself. And as I mentioned yesterday, this can help with resilience. So let's dive in. Today, I am Marina Orms here with your Astro Vibe for Saturday, May 17th. We also have today a conjunction of the sun with Uranus. So the sun moves through the zodiac every year. So it has a 1 year cycle. It's kind of the foundation of the zodiac is the sun signs and how we understand them to change throughout the year. So once a year, the sun joins up with the outer planets, and today is the day it joins up with Uranus. Uranus is the planet of shakeup, of freedom, of breakout, breakthrough, break free. So it can also have to do with sudden change that can be very destabilizing. But when we remember that sudden change can also be a benefit, sudden change can be that lightning bolt of insight, that light bulb moment that pops into your head with some new clarity or insight or understanding that you didn't have before because that shift happens and something shifts inside so that suddenly you can realize things you couldn't see before, or suddenly you get that idea or you make that connection and something shifts. So that spark of creativity is possible today, especially when we are looking at the energy of the sun, really being about creativity and self expression. Having the sun in Taurus means we are remembering how to use our creative energy to sustain what it is we have put in motion, to make things continue, to maintain them. So finding creative ways to sustain what you have put in motion. What does that look like for you? Are you noticing some new insights, some new ideas, or new possibilities for how you might think about doing things or expressing yourself or putting your creative energy out there? So, sharing and shining your light in the world. We also, because the moon's in Capricorn, we are focusing on the foundations, and so how resilience works is that when we take care of ourselves, I'm going to bring it back to self-care again. Recharging your own batteries means that you can be making a bigger difference in whatever way is important to you. It could be a difference in your own well-being. It could be a difference in something you care about. It could be a difference in people you care about, close or far away, right? It's the ability to use your energy, to be available, to have that extra energy to put into things you care about, things that matter to you, people that matter to you, beings that matter to you, places that matter to you, things anyway. So as we think about today's Capricorn moon and it being a good day to get organized, to put some energy into foundations, into planning. Think about how that supports your self-care. And I've used in the past the example of cleaning your garage, right? This is just a way to get organized. Put all those things that are lying all over the place, get them organized, get them put away, get the clutter out of your path, get rid of things you don't need, right? Taking that time to organize seems like a small thing, right? It seems like cleaning your garage may not be the thing that hits the top of your to-do list every day. It's not the thing that says you must attend to me right now. Maybe, I mean, maybe it does. But the point is that there's something going on in your life that requires that deeper look, that deeper cleaning, that deeper place of getting organized, that more meaningful work that you can put into something that will support your resilience in the long run, something that will help sustain you, that will help you sustain the work you want to do, right? Maybe cleaning, I don't know, maybe you love cleaning your garage, but if you think of it as the thing that will help you do your things that you love, that are fun, that are important to you, that you really want to be doing, this can be laying the foundation of support to help you be available, to help you feel healthy, to help you have your batteries recharged so that you can be there for the people and places and things that you care about, that you love, that mean the most to you. So maybe it's not your garage, maybe it's cooking a bunch of food and putting it in your freezer so that you don't have to worry about cooking through the week. Maybe it is attending to some emails or doing something for a friend or a neighbor or a relative who needs some assistance. Maybe you can invest a little time in helping them so that they can be more independent. There's all kinds of ways this could work. So think about what that is for you, what your metaphorical garage cleaning task is going to be for this Capricorn moon Saturday. And with this spark of Uranus helping to support creativity, to see the shifts, to awaken to some insight, something that you couldn't see before, give yourself that space to, take that pause, sit down, and maybe that insight will come to you. Sometimes it happens when you're just not thinking about anything. And that's the perfect way to, put the energy, the time into supporting yourself on those deeper foundational levels and getting organized, and then take the rest, take that pause to just be, and don't try, because the Uranus energy says if you're trying, you're not going to be available for the insight because you're cluttering up your brain with thoughts. I know. So so it's actually in letting go of the thoughts that you make room for the insight. The same way you sweep the dust and cobwebs out of a room with a broom, you get you clean and you clear all the dust out of the way, and then you have the space. And in that space is where the creative new solutions and thinking and ideas and innovations can occur to you. They can pop in. So maybe clean the garage and then take a nice pause, let yourself space out and see what occurs to you, or what clearing that space helps you access. Let it happen. Don't push it. Don't try to control it. All right. Thanks for being here. I'm Marina Orms. You can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com. I did some fabulous mini readings this week with folks to help work with the energies of the Scorpio full moon. If you are feeling those energies or feeling a little uncertain about your future direction, book a reading. It can be powerful and a really deeply supportive gift for yourself to understand what's going on more deeply, and maybe have that validation that can really help you know where to focus your energies. So I have readings available at astrologyheals.com. I have a member site that I am still working on. Check it out, though. There's some good articles in there, and the link is in the description for this video. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you next time with more astrology for unshakable self-care. Bye for now.